Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I'm back with a mini spring lookbook. So today is an exciting video because I'm working with Angela Roy bag. The brand is from New York City, and what's really special about them is that these bags are handcrafted from the special artisans, and these are not real leather. These are animal-friendly leather, which I really support. And these are really functional bags. I really love it. They come in multiple colors, and I'll link their website down below so you guys can check it out. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys my 3 favorite looks with this bag. So without further ado, let's get started.
We don't have very long time.
What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
you've got to get a hold of yourself.
what is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
you've got to get a hold of yourself.
Meet videographer Kevin Zhang. OOTD, please.
Just rocking a casual outfit.
Oh my god, Kevin! Stop. Oh my god. This is the blooper.